Hello everyone, I'm Kieran. Mi Band series Xiaomi's most popular product has come to the latest generation, the Mi Band 5. It was released just a few days ago. We've had it on for several days. Although it's not a big upgrade, we found that there are still some details that should be important for you to make the buying decision. Or we have the Mi Band 5 to give away right now. Please kindly subscribe to our channel and join the giveaway to win the chance. Okay, let's start the review. So what is different between Mi Band 5 and the Mi Band 4? There are only a few differences about their hardware and design. The most remarkable difference is the Mi Band 5 features a slightly bigger AMOLED display, eventually upgraded from the 0.95 inches to 1.1 inches. That's not much of a difference, but the screen now has smaller bezels and a larger area to display more information. But the tiny size difference is hard to perceive only when we brought them together. And another upgraded feature is the display's brightness, which can reach up to 450 nits, which allows you to view the display clearly under strong sunlight. But most complain that there is no auto brightness adjustment, and the brightness setting is hidden deeply in the settings. In most cases, it's still used with a constant brightness. There are more than 100 new theme dials to choose from as claimed, including 54 famous IP themes such as SpongeBob SquarePants, Neon Genesis Evangelion, and Ally the Fox. But so far some special themes have not been found in the dial store. It seems that some of them are only available in the Chinese version. Another wonderful improvement is about charging. The Mi Band 5 brings an all-new magnetic charging dock. If you have learned that how annoying of the Mi Band 4's charging, you would definitely understand why I'm so grateful for the new charging way, even though we only charge it for every half month. But pay attention here, Xiaomi did not improve the charging efficiency, which is understandable. We don't need to change it frequently. So that's all the design difference between the Mi Band 5 and 4. To be honest, they look almost the same as each other. Even since the size of the body is the same as the Mi Band 4, we were able to replace the original strap with the 4 strap. As one of the best fitness trackers, Mi Band series really have been doing a good job on various health tracking. In addition to the Mi Band's 6 sports modes, the Mi Band 5 supports several new sports modes, offering a total of 11 sports modes. Just check out all the sports modes here. We haven't tested all the sports modes, but it should be a step up from what you get in the Mi Band 4. And for swimming mode, the Mi Band 5 also supports 5 ATM waterproof, as the Mi Band 4 did. So there is no need to take it off when showering or even when you're swimming. Besides the sport modes tracking, the Mi Band 5 supports some other important health tracking, including the improved sleep tracking, blood oxygen tracking, smart heart rate monitoring, stress test, PAI scoring system, and menstrual cycle tracking specially for women's health. To see if the sleep tracking is improved on the Mi Band 5, our colleagues used the sleep tracking with these two bands at the same time. Well, it did show tiny differences on these two bands, but hard to say which one is more accurate. One detail is that he said he woke up to take a phone call at around 8:20 a.m. Only the Mi Band 4 recorded it down. We couldn't see it on the Mi Band 5's timeline. And the heart rate monitoring can be activated all day with different frequencies, but it could result in faster power consumption of the band. And it also features a heart rate alert. It can warn users to notice abnormal heart rate issues through vibration. The new stress test and PAI scoring system can help users learn better about their physical state through tracking and digitizing your physical states, which showed that I barely stayed at a relaxed state but had a poor fitness. Though hard to say, it's exactly telling the truth. At least it's informational and motivated for users to keep fit. Besides working as an excellent health tracker, the Mi Band 5 also reserved a lot of practical features as a helpful assistant, such as idle alert, notification and call reminder, music control, weather reports, phone finding, and so on. We've introduced a lot about these features in the Mi Band 4, so nothing really new here. In addition, the Mi Band 5 added up a remove camera control through Bluetooth connection. It simulates the volume down button to replace the camera shutter, but it's not able to control video shooting. Nothing really special, but makes some kind of photo shooting more convenient, like traveling alone or group shots. About its battery, there is no remarkable improvement. The Mi Band 5 can last for around 15 days without turning on some features like all-time heart rate monitoring. After wearing it for 5 days, it consumed 36% of power, which is still an acceptable result. So that's all for the new Mi Band. It's still an excellent smart wearable with excellent product strength. And more important, it's really hard to find a better choice at such price. And don't forget, we are having a giveaway of Mi Band 5. Just subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. This is Kieran from Gizmochina. We'll see you soon.